Hi, I'm the Michael Myers fanatic. This next video is dedicated to a fan named Mark Main. How are you, Mark? Sorry I took so long. I've been very busy, but I'm here now. You asked me about your plot and your cast for Halloween 9, or at least what you thought the film should have been. I'm looking at your cast members here, and I obviously don't have time to read the entire cast, but I do like what I'm seeing. For instance, you have here Josh Hartnett as John Tate. That's a good choice, but you know, he's a big Hollywood star now, so I don't know if he could come back and do that, but it's a good choice. Next on the list, you have Michelle Williams as Molly Cartwell. She was also in Halloween 7, aka Halloween H2O. Next, you have Nathan Kress as Stephen Lloyd Doyle. That's the son of Michael Myers. Nathan Kress, I think he's a little too old to play Stephen, isn't he? I think he's, what? Stephen is supposed to be 18. I think he was born in 95, so he's 18 about now. I don't know how old Nathan is. I'll have to check and get back to you on that. I want to read a few more, then I'll stop. You have Bianca Kylik as Sarah Moyer. She's from Halloween 8, aka Resurrection. She's the girlfriend of Stephen. Okay, see, I have a problem with that. First of all, Stephen is 18 years old, and Sarah is what? She'd be like in her 30s by now, so that's not appropriate. And she is old enough to date him, depending on when they got together. Then you have Busta Rhymes. Yeah, he's playing Freddie Harris. He's from Halloween 8, aka Resurrection. He gets killed in the opening scene, you say. I like the fact that Busta Rhymes get killed in the opening scene. Also, I'm gonna read one more. You have David Arquette as the father of John Tate. For anybody that doesn't know, David Arquette played Dwight Riley in the Scream series. Okay, I'm tempted. I'm sorry. I have to read a couple more. You have Paul Rudd as Thomas, aka Tommy Doyle. And you have Marianne Hagen as Kara Strode Doyle. These are all good choices. Your plot for part 9. Tommy and Kara decide to tell Stephen that his real family is dead, and the only person left is his Uncle John. While that is happening, John is having problems of his own with his wife. His father came back to make up with him. That's actually a good storyline, and you also have here that they're throwing Stephen a party for his birthday, and Michael comes back and tries to kill him. I actually agree with your plot, but you can't have Scout Taylor Compton. You can't have her in this movie because she was in the Rob Zombie continuity, so she can't be in this. You have Tyler Mane as Michael Myers. Also, he cannot be in this movie because he was in the other movie. He was in the other continuity. Now I'm going to share with you some facts and rumors about the 9th film. The information that I'm getting is from a website called lairofhorror.com. It is in the Michael Myers section. I will put the link in the description box for anybody that wants to read it. Originally, the film was going to be a 9th installment of the Halloween franchise, titled Halloween Retribution. It was rumored that both Bianca Kylik, who played Sarah, and Brad Loree, who played Michael Myers, were initially asked to reprise their roles from Halloween Resurrection, and Lindy Booth from Wrong Turn was one of the rumored cast additions. The second rumor was that Josh Hartnett, who played John Tate in Halloween H2O, was going to reprise his role, and the story would be centered around him returning to Haddonfield looking for Michael, whom he believes is still alive, and seeking revenge for his mother's death. That was later tabled. Another idea tabled was to bring back Jamie Lee Curtis for one final cameo, this time revealing that she didn't die when she fell off of the roof in Halloween Resurrection, but rather the bushes cushioned her fall, and she fled and went in seclusion. She would learn of her son John's involvement in Haddonfield and return in the nick of time to save him and kill Michael once and for all. Those are basically the ideas that they had for Halloween 9, but they were all tabled. As you can see, these things will not come to pass, at least not right now. I'm the Michael Myers Fanatic. This has been a video about Halloween 9, and as always, I approve this message. Actually, before I go, I just wanted to say that if this is the case, if they really were contemplating bringing back Jamie Lee Curtis for one final showdown with Michael Myers, then I'm glad they didn't make Halloween 9, because I don't want Jamie Lee Curtis in the movie. I believe in paying tribute to the past, but you cannot live in the past. Laurie Strode is no longer alive, so why dwell on the character? She was killed by Michael Myers on October 31st, 2001 in Halloween Resurrection.